What's the meaning of cube? Cube. Cube.
Cube. Cube. A cube is a three-dimensional shape with 6 square faces, each of the same size. It is a highly symmetrical shape that can be found in various contexts, from geometry to architecture and design. The result of cubing a number is finding the product of multiplying that number by itself 3 times. This leads to a larger number that represents the volume of a cube with side length equal to the original number. Cubes are used in many different fields, including mathematics, physics, computer science, and gaming.